Hello dear viewer, welcome to my channel. This is where I, Fatih, do some fun adventures. Sometimes my little sister joins in. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hello guys,
Welcome to our channel.
Hafsah got a certificate, so we each got one toy from the toy store. We'll go show you it. I got a Perplexus.
I got Lollipets.
And I'm going to be opening this first and then Hafsah. I'm going to be opening my Perplexus. Now we're going to be unboxing the Perplexus Revolution Runner. You can't see it because of the tag. Here is the Perplexus. You use this tiny button to move it around so you can move. And you control using this little ball. You have to traverse around the Perplexus so you can get to the center. And then you win! Alright, now I got a fine start. This is not the original Perplexus. This is the Revolution Runner. And here are some features. This is the battery slot. This is the place where you put 3 AA batteries inside. Since the Perplexus Revolution Runner needs to keep going, you have to have 3 AA batteries running it. And you can open it by opening the screw over here. And here you can adjust the speed, like when you complete the Perplexus and you want to take on an even harder challenge. This is speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and finally speed 4. This, I think, is pretty much for people who done the Perplexus so much. They're like Perplexus experts. Now I stopped it. This is the original Perplexus. This is shaped like a ball, and there is no button where you have to control it using the Perplexus. You have to do it manually. And you have to start in here at number 1. This is super hard, since if you mess up, start all over again. But luckily, here are the checkpoints. So when you fall off a certain stage or something, you can restart all the way back to that checkpoint. Yay! Between the Perplexus Revolution Runner and the original Perplexus, I like this one better since of these layers. You can adjust the speed to your liking, and that you can move it all with a button. I like this one better than the Perplexus. And remember, this one you have to follow the number, and this one you have to follow the arrow. I think that's all.
I'm gonna be opening Lollipets. Hi guys, now it's my turn to unbox my toy. This is Lollipets. If you don't know what's Lollipets, I will unbox it.
Can I help you?
Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Whoa!
Here are the instructions, Hafsah.
Okay, let's go see them. Ooh!
So many characters. Show
Yeah.
them, Hafsah.
See, there's a lot of characters. There's this sticker background.
Let's go open this.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Show them, Hafsah.
See?
There's 2 animals and sweets.
Yeah.
Hafsah, show them. Like open it, show.
Open it and show.
Ah.
Oh, I got it!
Where is that?
That's a mouse.
What's her name?
Let's go see it in the checklist. You open it.
I think you already know, Hafsah. It's Maple.
Whoa. I think I like that name.
Maple is this one.
The mousey. And this rabbit.
Show them.
I'll show you the rabbit.
Its name is Boris.
Now let's open the sweets. Let's go start with maple sweets. We open her first. This is maple sweets.
Cotton candy.
I guess that's not a cotton candy. I think
Is that the real one?
no. It's just a plastic and metal inside. And this is a lollipop for Boris.
Yummy.
Now I'm gonna show you how does it work. First, you can see this button over here, so you can turn it on.
Ooh.
Now what? You want the can?
Let me go turn Boris on.
No, she just picked up the candy. You want the candy?
Boris, eat the delicious candy.
So sweet.
Oh no, his butt ate the candy.
Did you know they can eat it with their butt?
Delicious.
Now I'm gonna talk about the stickers.
Stickers.
The stickers are maybe over here, but it's like this. This is Boris. And now I'll collect the other one. This is Maple.
Wow, they look so cute. Why don't you put them on the animals?
No, we need to open this checklist first, and you can see it on the back of the checklist over here. And the other one has another one too. You don't put it in the same place, but you can put it in the other checklist. Like this, over here. Now let's put the stickers.
Yay!
Let's make.
Half of them.
Okay, let me go help you.
No, Mom, you're not supposed to put it over here. You're supposed to put it in the other checklist.
Okay.
See, you can see Maple, the mouse, over here.
Okay, so I can just do this. Maple!
Boris needs some help too.
Okay. Boris, where are you?
Boris, where's the Boris checklist?
I think it's over here.
Yeah, I think. This one is over here. Here's Boris in this chocolate pool. So good. I think that's it.
That's all the toy reviews from us.